Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix your iPhone screen not rotating. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So first, you have to open up your control center by dragging down on your battery and then tap on this lock icon here. If it becomes white, that means your iPhone is locked, so make sure it's unlocked like that. Next, open up your settings and scroll down until you see the option for display and brightness, and then click there. Scroll down until display zoom shows. If yours is currently set to larger text, make sure it's set back to default. If yours is currently set to default, just change it to larger text and then change it back to default. Press done and then you'll need to restart your device. After that, rotate your phone around to see if it will rotate. If that still hasn't gone to fix the problem for you, then restart your iPhone again by pressing the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold the power button. Keep holding the power button until you see the Apple logo. After iPhone has restarted, unlock it and see if it's now working. Aside from that, make sure you got the most up-to-date version, but some apps just don't support rotating your screen. Hoping one of these work for you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!